Welcome to the CounselMore training video on texting setup. To get here, navigate to Account, then go to Settings and Texting Setup. In this video, we will guide you through the process of configuring your texting options. The first option we'll look at is the Bulk Invite to Texting option. Now go ahead and click that button. If you're onboarding large groups of students, you can send them a welcome text in bulk from here in order to save time. Later in training, you'll learn to send a welcome text per student. Next, you can turn on text forwarding. This functionality allows you to send text replies to your clients from your cell phone. Click the checkbox to turn it on. Next, we'll look at text follow-ups for other CounselMore communications. First, we have a text follow-up for when a progress summary gets sent out. Check the box if you'd like the option enabled and add your own custom text follow-up. Later in training, we'll test them with your test student. Below this option, you'll find a follow-up for broadcast emails. You can check the box and type your own custom follow-up text. This concludes the setup for the texting feature in CounselMore. Thank you for watching.